Today we are going to visit Hot Wheels City with these superheroes: Green Lantern, Spider-Man, Batman, Chota Beam and Hulk. Superheroes. Are you ready? Our vehicle is ready. Can we board? Is everyone ready to go?
Yes.
Do you see the hotel? Now, let's go to the zoo. This is Luigi Zoo. This is cat. This is anteater. This is horse. This is cow. This is elephant. This is bull.
Hello superheroes, I have a problem here. The Dark Devil kidnapped lion, gorilla and bear from the zoo. Can you please help me finding them?
Yes, we will rescue them. Guys, we need to rescue gorilla, lion and bear. Let's go now. Now we are in dinosaur place. Stegosaurus, raptor, blue, brown dinosaur. Now we'll go to other place. Now let's go to the car shop. I like this car shop. Let's go see the supercars. Superman car, Ford, Transformer car, truck, 24 hours, Ford Bronco, Howlin' Heat, Lamborghini police cars. Now let's go to supercars. Ferrari 350, off-road truck, Rock Piemont, Rock Crawl, Ferrari. Guys, I found them. Lion, bear and gorilla. See there. We need to fight Dark Devil to rescue them. Hey, Dark Devil, we came here to rescue the animals.
You need to fight with me to rescue your animal.
Help me! I'm here to help you. You're done. Daredevil is done. Now let's rescue the animals. Hi animals, we've come to rescue you and take you to the zoo. Okay, animals, are you ready to go to the zoo?
Yes.
Hey, Luigi, we have a surprise for you. We've rescued the animals. See there. Bye. Thanks for watching us. Thanks for watching us.